Dear friends, this is my tutorial 1. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to screenshot on Windows using Snipping Tool. So the Snipping Tool available in our Windows. So go to the search box. Here you can see, just to type SNI. So it will pop up here. Just you can click, it will open. So this is the Snipping Tool tab. So now we will capture images or snip the images from the various places. So I will tell you step by step, just you can follow. So here you can see just a small arrow like things, just you can click here, you can see different kind of things. So this is the rectangle things. First you can select rectangle things. So now click the plus. If we click the plus, it will come like this, the like plus like that will come. Just you have to select the area, which area you want to capture. Just to do like this, just you can leave it, so it will come like that. So now you can also do whatever you want, like painting and coloring, writing something. So if you don't want anything, just you can right click, and here you can see save as button is there, copy is there, share is there. So if you want to copy, you can copy click. If you want to save, just click save, so it will save. So you can save wherever you want. Is this just I will save this here. So just I will name it, just I saved. So like that. So if you want to full screen shot, just you can select this one, full screen. Just click full screen, and you can again click this plus one. So automatically it will screenshot all screen. So you can see the whole Windows is captured here. So this is the second one. So third one I will tell you. So again here you can go here, the free form is there, just click free form. So and again click this plus tab. Now you can see plus like curve. So here you can write. So which area you want, you can write your like this. So just connect it, that's all. Our selected area will capture. This also you can copy or save whatever you want. So one more important things I will tell you. So how to capture the images from the PDF document. This is the research paper. So if this is very useful to make a PowerPoint presentation. So now I will tell you these things. So we will open our snipping tool. The snipping tool, just you can click it. So if you want to put into the taskbar, just right click and pin to taskbar. It will stay forever. Whenever you want, you can double click here, you can use it for your snipping purpose. So this is our paper, one paper. Just I will show you the things. So now we are going to capture these images. So for that, what you have to do, just you can change into rectangle and click this. So and select the places, which places you want to capture. So this is the one. So our images capture. So now you can copy, go to new slide, paste it. So like this, the quality also good, not that much bad. So if you use this kind of things, you will get a good quality. So again, new slide. So if you want to copy this image, we can also copy. Go to this. So again you click this one. So now you have to choose the that's just leave it, it will automatically capture. So it will open. Just you can copy if you want, copy if you want to also save. So paste it. So likewise you can make your PowerPoint slide and do your presentations very colorfully, easily. So this is the snipping tool use. So if you like my content, please like and subscribe, comment and share, and also please click the bell icon for my future video update. Thank you so much for watching my video and enjoy.